Nice and lovely. So as you can see, exactly what I want right here, so. This is exactly what I look for. So now this is gonna be finished. Stew down chicken served with plain rice. Amazing recipe, guys. Chicken breast too, you know. Chicken breast is the best part of the meat you can ever eat. Yeah? Let's share it out. Nice one. I'm gonna share it out now. Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, but you know what, when I feel excited, I feel good. I got some chicken breast and I set them some diced chicken breast. So what I want to do, I'm going to do you a nice, lovely diced chicken breast stew down with some veg, few things in it. And I know you guys are going to love this the way I'm going to do it. And I'm going to serve it with a little bit of rice. So hopefully you like the recipe. Please subscribe. If I have 500 likes, 500 comments, that will be brilliant. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And my name is Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely, guys. I want to say I'm going to show you how you can make a simple little dish. Right here I got some, as you can see, this is some diced chicken breast, and I'm gonna stew it down, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this one. So first thing we're going to do, because I'm gonna pop half teaspoon of chicken season. This is a teaspoon, so I'm using half teaspoon of the chicken season. Nice one. Then we're going to put some herbs. I'm going to use dry basil. I love my dry basil. I got some oregano. This is all of my natural herbs. And I got some dry parsley. I'm gonna put some parsley inside of it. Lovely. Pinch of oil. I'm using some olive oil. Some pepper. Pinch of salt, not too much. Pinch of browning. This is a spoon. Give it a stir. Alright guys, then what we're going to do next is I'm gonna put some seasoning inside of it. I got some thyme. This is some fresh thyme. So what I'm going to do now is cut up some white onion. I'm cutting up some white onion. This is a white onion right here. Nice one. Then I got half of a tomato. I'm gonna put some carrot. That's one medium-sized carrot. One medium-sized carrot. Straight inside of it. This is some red pepper. This is some sweet pepper. Straight in it. Spring onion. This is some green pepper. In it. If you got garlic, I don't have any garlic, you can put some garlic inside of it. The most important thing, I don't have it, but still can goes along. Alright. So this one, what you can do, marinate it and put it down for 24 hours, or marinate it and put it up for 2 hours, and then you cook it after. But I'm gonna cook it now to show you how this look really nice and lovely. Enjoy the recipe as I cook it. Nice and lovely. So I have my medium sized frying pan. What we're going to do is pop just a pinch of oil, not too much. Yeah, medium size heat. Just pop in the chicken. That looking lovely and nice. So cover that for about 10 minutes. Alright, and we're gonna stir between the 10 minutes as it goes along. Give it a lovely stir. Now that for about another 10 minutes again. Give it a couple more minutes and that's it. Nice and lovely. So what we're going to do is pop roughly about 4 tablespoons of water, and then add a little bit of ketchup, not too much, just a little bit of ketchup. Put a little flavor to it, a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Give it a stir. I don't like when my meat really like dark, you know what I mean? So what I'm going to do, as I said, I did put a little bit of brown in before. Gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Stew down chicken breast. Look at that, beautiful and nice. Alright, cover it, give it another 10 minutes, good to go. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, exactly what I want right here, so. This is exactly what I look for. So now this is gonna be finished. Stewed down chicken served with plain rice. Amazing recipe, guys. Chicken breast too, you know. Chicken breast is the best part of the meat you can ever eat. Yeah? Let's share it out. Nice one. I'm gonna share it out now. Nice and lovely. So I'm just sharing out it. But you guys can see exactly what is taking place right here. Stewed down chicken breast. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Really nice and lovely. So hopefully you love the recipe. Subscribe, leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. Stewed down chicken breast from Chef Ricardo today with plain rice. See you next time. Bye bye.
Whoa, 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 whoa.